Okay, going to come back here and you're going to check our thinking. So we knew that there was 240 boys and girls in the league, 130 girls. So we needed an equation with a variable and a math mountain. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is, so if there's 240 boys, 130 girls, how many boys are there? Well, I know it's going to be subtraction. Big reason is, and I'm going to kind of do this at the same time, my math mountain. Well, I knew that my total was 240. One of the parts was 130 girls, but how many boys? I don't know. So I'm going to do subtraction for it then, because it's a part plus a part equals a total, or total minus a part to get the other part. So 240 minus 130 equals, and then I need my variable, because write an equation with a variable, that equals my m then, because that's the part, I don't know for sure. Okay, well then basically then I'll just have to do 240 minus 130. Now I could set it up on top of each other if I needed to, or I could try to do it mentally, but I know that it is 110 boys. And I could even just double check it. I'm going to double check it with addition. So 130 plus 110. 0 plus 0 is 0, 3 plus 1 is 4, and 1 plus 1 is 2. 240 boys, yep, that all works. So 110 boys. Okay, this one I needed to figure out, okay, how much information did I not need on this one? Or what information did I need? Well, I know that I needed, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so I can write a little bit clearer. I did know I did need 13 robins. And I did need to know about 21 pigeons, because this problem was all about the birds. And so I needed all the pieces of information about that. What I didn't know is the rabbits. They weren't talking about rabbits at all, so they just gave me an extra number to kind of try to throw me off. Now, down below, I'm going to actually solve my problem. So down below, I'm going to be thinking about, okay, well, I know that there's 30 birds. So of those 30 birds, that's what kind of my total. One of the parts are robins, 13. The rest are pigeons. Okay? So that's going to be my first part. So 30 minus 13 equals 17. So the rest are, that means, so 13 robins, that means he saw 17 pigeons. On Thursday, he saw some more pigeons. Now he has seen 21 pigeons. Okay, so 21 pigeons is my new total. Saw 17 to start with, because he saw 17 pigeons. Saw some more. Saw 17, saw some more, up to 21. Well, then I just have to think about, okay, well, 21 minus 17 equals 4. Okay, so my answer then is 4 pigeons. So I'm going to just circle that answer just to make sure that I'm showing, yep, I know how many pigeons he had. Labels are really important for this. Then the other part of this is, what strategy did I use and how did it help? No, for me, I used math mountains, comma, because it, I'm going to say change, because they helped me picture the problem in my mind. Okay, if you need to go back and rewatch this first part, please do that. But and like down here, this is going to look way different for everybody. Just have to make sure you get the correct answer and explain what was your strategy and how did it help. And I'm going to read this next part to you, and then I'll have you go solve them. Susan buys 24 postcards. She sends 6 postcards to her friends. She puts the rest in 3 folders with an equal number in each folder. How many postcards are in each folder? You need to write the first step question and answer, then solve it. So you are going to write the first step question. So you need to try to think, okay, well, what is that first step question? Trying to think. What do I need to figure out first? So Susan buys 24 postcards. She sends 6 to her friends. She puts the rest in her folders. I'm going to start with how many. You can use that just to help you get started. And I'm going to say something about how many postcards How many postcards? So I'll think there. Then number 8, Cato uses 56 photos to make online albums. It's like picture albums. He puts 7 photos in each album. How many albums does Cato make? Okay, so again, I'm thinking, is this multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction? Well, down here when I look, it's all multiplication, division, so it kind of already answers it. But what I need to do for exercises 8a through 8d, select true or false if the equation can be used to solve the problem. So can I use 7 times a equals 56? True or false? Can I use 56 divided by 7 equals a? True or false? Can I use 7 times 56 equals a? True or false? And can I do 56 divided by a equals 7? True or false? So just think about this. You might want to actually solve the problem yourself first, and then go down there and look. Maybe even make a picture to go along with it to help you. Then number 9, Tara posts 35 flyers for the school carnival. And when she says post, that means like hangs up. Keisha posts 8 more flyers than Tara. Okay. How many flyers did Tara and Keisha post? Choose the number that completes the sentence. So basically you just have to solve this one and circle one of these to complete the sentence. So for this, you're really going to try to think, is it addition or subtraction? Or is it a multiplication or division? Just think about that. Then come back.